To replace fender in your Kia Soul, follow these steps. 1. Remove the headlamps. Refer to the link in the video description. 2. Remove the pillar garnish. After loosening the mounting screw, then remove the pillar garnish by using a screwdriver. 3. Remove the side sill molding. Loosen the side sill molding mounting screws. Using a screwdriver or remover, remove the side sill molding. 4. Using a clip remover, detach the clip and remove the pillar guard. 5. Detach the clips and then remove the insulator pad. 6. Loosen the front wheel guard mounting screws and bolt. 7. Remove the front bumper side bracket after loosening the screw and bolt. 8. After loosening the mounting bolts and nut, then remove the fender assembly. 9. Install in the reverse order of removal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more great content.